In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Sharp remote control from your TV. If you're having issues, I'll show you how to fix them. So let's get started. First of all, we need to unplug your Sharp TV from the wall socket. Once you unplug it, turn around your remote control, remove the lid and remove the batteries. Once the batteries are removed, I always suggest, by the way, to use new batteries afterwards, just in case these are not good anymore, so we can rule out that the batteries were the problem. So once the batteries are out of the remote control, turn it around, and now what we need to do is to press every single buttons that are on the remote control, even the enter button, even the 9 button, every single button very hard, at least 3 times. This will take a while. I won't show it in this video, but you should do it on your remote control. Why we're doing this, you may ask? Well, it's because if a debris, a hair, dust, any kind of thing gets stuck under one of these buttons, the whole remote control will not work. And we don't know which of these buttons is stuck. So by pressing very hard on each of them, we are making sure that no button is getting stuck. Once you finish pressing all the buttons, you can go ahead, put back the batteries, put back the lid here, then go ahead, plug back your Vizio TV into the wall socket and turn it on using the button located on the TV. That button can be under the TV, on the left, right side, or even in the middle, and in some other occasions it could be located on the back. So go ahead, power on your TV and test the remote control. Now, a quick way, if this didn't work for you, to know if your remote control is actually sending any signal to your TV is to take your smartphone, open the camera app on your smartphone, point the remote control towards the lens of your phone, and press every single button once. I know it's hard to see in this video, but usually, let me just point it towards this camera. You see, there's a red light that appears. This is the infrared sensor. You cannot see this with your naked eye. You absolutely need to use a camera to detect it. So do this for each buttons, and make sure this sensor is lighting up every time you press the button. This way you know for sure that the remote control is working and it's not the remote control the problem, it's actually the TV.